Like, would you wear your hair out like this? Like, just catch it up and wear it? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I know that I look a bit crazy. I washed my hair yesterday and I had my hair in braids. So today I'm deciding to use the African threading method to stretch out my hair a bit further. I ordered this off Amazon, so this is what I'll be using. Yarn. I think it was about $2 something or $3, so I had to go for the cheapest at first. I did go on eBay looking for the African thread, but for some reason all the vendors that I clicked on were unavailable. So I decided to go with Amazon and get this. So it's a rainbow color. So since yarn dries out your hair so easily, I decided to get me a bowl with water and moisturizer so I could moisturize the yarn before adding it to my hair. So let's see if that makes a difference. My hair is also quite moisturized from washing my hair yesterday, so I should be good. So I have my comb here, and I have my comb to detangle also. I have my scissors and a spray bottle with water, you know, just in case. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. This is my first time like threading my hair or attempting to thread my hair. So let's see how it works out. I'm gonna start with the front. As you can see, my hair is quite stretched from the braids that I had in, but we want it to stretch out some more. So you want to wrap the yarn around your elbow and hold it in your hand at the same time. So you're wrapping it around your elbow. Then after you're through, you want to cut it right at the bottom there. So after that, you can decide to either cut it at the bottom or at the top. Alright, so here we have several pieces. So when you're ready, you just get 2 pieces of the yarn, add it to the container I mentioned before, and you just spray it with water and moisturizer. You cut the excess off And you just tie it to the ends and you're good. Okay. Aw, this looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair off camera and come back with the finished results. Okay guys, I'm done. So this is how it looks. I mean, I almost gave up because my hands were just getting so tired, but I did it. And the yarn is dry at this point, but I'm gonna leave it in and take it out later on so you guys can see how it looks. Like, would you wear your hair out like this? Like, just catch it up and wear it? Comment down below. But if I was gonna wear my hair like this, I would probably have to make the ends a bit more neat, like without the knots here, because I had to knot the yarn so it doesn't unravel. Okay, so, but I think this is a cool style though. But I like the colors. Let me show you the back if I can. Okay, so for the sides and the back, I did like plait the beginning of each section because I was just so tired. I just couldn't. So I just plait it and yeah. So later on, I'll be back with the end results. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. It is now later on, so I'm ready to take these out. I'm anxious to see how my hair looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Also, if you are interested in seeing more natural hair videos or crochet braiding videos, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you can know whenever I post. And if you guys also have video suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to make those videos for you guys. I do appreciate those who watch my videos weekly, and I appreciate all the support that I've been getting, so thank you guys so much. Alright, so I am going to pull the first one out. So this is the first, is this the first one I did? It was either this one or this, okay, it was this one, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna pull it out and see. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I guess it should be this easy to loose out. Oh, I remember that I had to put 2 pieces on this one. So not bad. Does it look stretched enough? I think so. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, so I'm basically just loosening up the attachment that I added to the end of each section, and you just wanna pull the yarn lightly. You don't want to break your hair, so you don't want to pull it too tight, and yeah. Okay. I definitely could have left it in much longer, but I am ready to style my hair, so So because my hair was damp when I added the yarn to it, that's why it's looking so puffy now. So next time I will leave it in overnight, you know, giving it time to dry my hair and further stretch it. But I like the results. It's not looking too bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and loose the rest out. I'll be right back. So guys, new location, but anyways, I've taken out all the yarn and yeah, my hair looks pretty stretched. I must say though, one struggle I had was with detangling the ends of my hair after taking the yarn out, because the ends of my hair were like clumped up together. So I really had to take my time when detangling. But I like how it looks, stretched and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here because my location is not the best, but I definitely will be attempting to use yarn again in my hair or African thread. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in and stay tuned for the next video.